be 5. You see, when I was arrested myself, 2013,
I was here.
it's like the court told me that I was not supposed to be found with 5 people. You know, it is a riot act.
To me, they told me.
Okay, why they like closing the door?
No, you were a group. And the last
No, you were talking to him. No, comrades, can I explain something?
But the municipalities are always
Comrades. It's a clear indication which umasipala uyasidelela. We are here unarmed.
We are asking to say.
We are peaceful. Sizolanda impendulo. We are here for a response. Even the last time sasingaka. We are saying, manje siyangena bavala ama-gates. But you are members of the community. Some members. Okay, what danger can you do? Wait, Vasco, what danger can you do?
I don't know. The office accommodated 4 people. They told me, no, they told me, somebody, if the group come, the group must stay outside. The 4 leaders, they must come out.
We're all leaders.
We're all leaders of the society.
Okay, it's fine. That's fine. Wait. The solution. Call the mayor. Where's the mayor? Where's the mayor? Where's the mayor? Where's the mayor?
On the meeting.
Yeah.
You are the message.
We can sing all of us.
Mr. Officer, please, may you call us the mayor?
We don't care about the mayor is on the meeting.
Call it.
He was waiting here.
Tell him we are here.
When he was waiting here, in your office, you were allowed to
Tell him we are here.
Tell the mayor the community is here.
Wait. You are saying I was a manager here.
Yeah.
Wait, let me explain to you. I've got an email of attendance register. You see that small office of mine up there? I used to accommodate 20 people.
Inside.
When I was running the program for small businesses, where 120 businesses were funded, I had a meeting with 24 members of the community in that small office. I have it here. It's here. So, comrades, Asibo Pendla, we are not leaving. Comrades, we are not leaving.
Yeah, we are not.
Wait, it's inside. We are not leaving. The mayor must give us our response. The municipal manager must give us our response. We came here in a peaceful manner. We need responses. Abantu abanamanzi. Abantu bahlele emkhashweni. Professionals and officials and members of this community, for 20 years they are renting. Labantu laba bavalala bahlele in their own comfort. So we are not leaving until umayor uzophumala. So they must give us a response. We've given them a letter that within 7 days. They've not bothered to call us. The only thing as I told her is this apartheid system that you are. Yeah, but by the way, Vasco is doing a very good job by putting a chain. He's teaching us. Because in not less than a week, we are the ones who are going to put a chain in that gate. Until they give us a site. Until they release a site. Comrades, here we're in a revolution. See, beauty contest. So this, let me one Vasco. Thank you very much, Vasco, for teaching us. When you perceive what abantu are wrong, you put a chain. So unfortunately, the definition, if you go on dictionary, the definition of municipal, it says the public. Municipality is the institution. When you say municipal manager, you are saying public manager. We are the municipality. The municipality is this one. So it's a clear indication we are not going to be deterred by this. Umayor, if a corner, we will have to come as near as the letter yetu. In fact, as in reverse, it's a protocol. More protocol, the accounting office of which is the municipal manager. Sasa mitamale office in the municipal manager. So municipal manager must near So we are not leaving. Wait, Vasco, we are not leaving. You spoke at Vasco. When you don't explain anything, your chain is already explained.
No.
In less than, wait. In less than a week, In less than a week.
Why you don't the choice?
In less than a week.
Phazamisa. Usebenzile ukiyile Vasco. Usebenzile Vasco Meskia. Usebenzile Spatsa. Uvasco wasiphendulile.
Comrades, thina uVasco asili naye. Vasco mina mangisenza la masipala uyazi. Every day. Vasco bemzana amabhanti, ngithenga amabhanti. Sizitia, ukwazi. You know that.
Akakuyela manje.
No, wait. I am no. Vasco, I'm saying
You know the rule.
no. Vasco, I am saying I don't have a problem with you. I don't have a problem with you doing. You are saying you're doing your job. Yeah, but we don't have a problem. Can we rest that one? You are doing your job. You've locked the gate. By the way, asizelanga vele uzobona abantu sizocela ama response ethu. That's the only thing.
Okay.
So that if we don't get satisfactory response, then kana sizokwenza kusho ukuthi uzofika kanje gate every day. Because sizozala every day. Sizozala every day until the matters elokishina yabona yama site. Bazowakhipha ngenkani. Bazowakhipha indaba yama site. So comrades comrade asizanga ngokubuka sizilelana ngabona ngawu 3-4 times singaba songena ema-ofisini saphuma kamnandi kunganemsindo zero scarce. So we are not a threat. Uyabona for instance yeah.